Welcome to this session on Facets of Data. A huge amount of data we can generate in big data and data science. These data in various types and main categories of data are as follows. It may be structured data or unstructured data. If it is structured data, we can store our data in terms of tables, rows and columns. If it is unstructured data, it may be natural language, machine generated data, audio, video and images, graph based and streaming. These are all examples for unstructured data. We will discuss one by one. First, structured data. It is arranged in rows and column format. It helps for application to retrieve and process data easily. Example, database management system we can use to store our structured data. The term structured data refers to the data that is identifiable because it is organized in a structure. It is also searchable by data type within context. Structured data is understood by computers and is also efficiently organized for human readers. Best example, Excel table is example for structured data. Unstructured data. It is a data that does not follow a specific format. Rows and columns are not used for structured data. Therefore, it is very difficult to retrieve required information. Unstructured data has no identifiable structure. The unstructured data can be in the form of text. It may be documents, email messages, customer feedbacks, likes or dislikes, audio, video, images, anything. Email is an example of unstructured data. Even today, in most of the organizations, more than 80% of the data are in unstructured form. This carries lots of information, but extracting information from these unstructured data is very big challenge. Characteristics of unstructured data. There is no structural restriction or binding for the data. Data can be of any type. Unstructured data does not follow any structural rules. There are no predefined formats, restriction, or sequence for unstructured data. Since there is no structural binding for unstructured data, it is unpredictable in nature. These are the list of characteristics of unstructured data. Natural language. It is a special type of unstructured data. Natural language processing enables machines to recognize characters, words, and sentences, then apply meaning and understanding to that information. This helps machines to understand language as humans do. The natural language processing community has had success in entity recognition, topic recognition, summarization, text completion, and sentiment analysis. For natural language processing, to help machines understand human language, it must go through speech recognition, natural language understanding, and machine translation. It is an iterative process comprised of several layers of text analysis. Then, machine generated data. It is an information that is created without human interaction as a result of a computer process or application activity. This means that data entered manually by an end user is not recognized by to be machine generated. Machine data contains a definitive record of all activity and behavior of our customers, users, transactions, applications, servers, networks, factory machineries, and so on. Examples of machine data are web server logs, call detail of records, sensor data, network event logs, and telemetry. Graph-based data. Graph is nothing but it is a collection of entities called nodes and a collection of interactions between a pair of nodes called edges. These round is called nodes and this line is called edges. Nodes represents entities which can be of any object type that is relevant to our problem domain. A graph database stores nodes and relationships instead of tables or documents. Example for graph-based data can be found on many social media websites. For instance, on LinkedIn, you can see who you know at which company. Your follower list on Twitter is another example for graph-based data. Audio, video, and images. These are all examples for unstructured data. Tasks that are trivial for humans, such as recognizing objects in pictures, turn out to be challenging for computers. MLBAM, that is Major League Baseball Advanced Media, announced in 2014 that they will increase video capture to approximately 7 TB per game for the purpose of live in-game analytics. High-speed cameras at stadiums will capture ball and athlete movements to calculate in real time, for example, the path taken by a defender related to two baselines. So, every day we are generating huge amount of data in different formats such as audio, video, and images. Streaming data. It is a data that is generated continuously by thousands of data sources which typically send in a data record simultaneously and in small sizes. It may be KBs. Streaming data includes a wide variety of data such as log files generated by customers using your mobile or web applications, e-commerce purchase, in-game player activity, information from social networks, financial trading flows or geospatial services, and telemetry from connected devices or instrumentation in data centers. Examples are what's trending on Twitter, live sporting, or music events, and the stock market. Thank you.